Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable the profile views on TikTok, and also gonna teach you how to see the users who viewed your profile. Okay, so first you want to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile. So as you can see here on the upper right side of your screen, there is a footstep icon beside the three little lines. So you want to click on that, and then to enable the profile view history, you want to click turn on, and then here as you can see the user who viewed your profile. So if you want to turn the profile view, you want to click the setting icon and then switch on to turn off. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.